Oh yeah, boy, we're at Mettet, man. We're gonna check out some cool cars, man. Let's take a look at this, okay? We arrived here in the Pantera. And there are like M2s. There are some pretty crazy cars right here. And to be honest, there's nothing that makes me more happy than seeing a GTI with a turbo. So I just met the owner, Anthony, who is a pretty cool guy. And he told me that he has owned this car for the past 20 years and he wanted to have a cool track car. And since you can't basically drive very fast on the street, he decided to simply put a 2-liter Xantia engine with a turbo on a 205 GTI. By the way, this car weighs around 950 kilos, 900 kilos, something like that. So it weighs absolutely nothing. Absolutely incredible engine right here. If you didn't know, you wouldn't know. And obviously if you didn't hear it as well, you wouldn't know. But the moment you hear it, you know something is up with this mean little bug. Oh yes, yeah boy. The car is running Proxes R888s, which are very good tires for the GTI. It's a car from '91. It was originally a 1.9, obviously, not anymore. It also has this beautiful color. It looks black under basically any circumstance except under full light, whereas now it looks blue. As you can see, it's a magnificent color. Yes. Another thing that they don't tell you about the 205 is it's super spacious, especially at the rear. The new 208, it literally hasn't got as much space as this car right here. Italian design, of course. Can't get enough of this design. It is a slick design. It's so well integrated. You would never know that this duct was there. You would think that it's a factory duct, but usually this is where you put the plate. Insane. And inside, it's stock. You wouldn't know anything about this car. Okay, here's my favorite car, the Pantera, the 205 GTI Turbo. Here it is. So I came here not thinking that I was gonna go on the track, and guess what? My favorite car here, I'm gonna go for a ride in it. Yeah boy, the 205 Turbo, man. Off we go in the 205 Turbo. That's the best day ever. My man Anthony, of course, awesomest guy ever. Awesomest car ever. Yeah, baby. Oh my god. It's gonna pull my shit right now. No control. The car uses like 200 kilos of weight when you get on boost. It doesn't weigh anything. Now we go. Just. Oh my god. To say the least, this car was absolutely incredible. The 205 with a turbo. I mean, it's proper. It's proper. I couldn't even stay in my seat. The seat was slightly unbolted. The tires were slightly worn. So the car was going like dug, 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 on the corners. But goddamn, when the turbo kicks in, it just loses 200 kilos of its weight. It's incredibly fast. Best car ever. 205 GTI.